but I already tried.
Yo halo guys, balik lagi bareng sama gue Yunjiete. Oke, hari ini gue mau bikin konten tutorial lagi ya, tutorial thumbnail lagi kayak biasa. Dan ya sekarang bahannya gue agak bikin sendiri gitu ya, separuh-separuh. Ada yang bikin sendiri, ada yang nyari di Google gitu, dan ada yang dikasih teman juga ya. Jadi ya gue pakai PW gitu, jadi PW nya ada di bawah ini ya, nah di sana. Jadi kalian jangan skip ya tutorialnya, jadi biar kalian paham, jangan pengen bahannya doang gitu. Kalian tinggal tonton terus ya tutorialnya, pasti muncul ya passwordnya. Nah jadi passwordnya gue taruh di sini. Nah cuman 1 kali gitu, tapi durasi PW nya enggak 1 detik 2 detik 3 detik, kayaknya 4 detik lah ya buat kalian, biar kalian enggak susah nyarinya gitu. Pokoknya di sana ya PW-nya, dan di bawah gitu ya, bawah pojok kanan gitu. Oke, langsung aja ke tutorialnya. Jangan lupa subscribe, yang belum subscribe jangan lupa share juga videonya, dan jangan di skip videonya biar kalian paham gitu. Oke, langsung aja ke tutorialnya ya guys.
March on through the hell we go. We will leave this world so cold, but don't let them know, cause they won't ever let us go. We gotta make sure we don't leave no tracks, so they can't trace us and drag us back. We gotta make sure we don't leave no tracks, so they can't trace us and drag us back. So they can never drag us back to a place where sadness roams, where it grows. Cause we don't belong there, we don't belong there, no, no, no. Amongst the depression, anxiety and fear that feast these beasts and light up the flames that try to burn us down, burn our life into ruins and I just think whatever's above, that I got you as we march on through the hell we go. We will leave this world so cold, but don't let them know, cause they won't ever let us go. Gotta make sure we don't leave no tracks, so they can't trace us and drag us back. We gotta make sure we don't leave no tracks, so they can't trace us and drag us back. This is for the lost one, this is for the cold, this is for the lost one, this is for the cold. This is for the lost one, this is for the cold. Sing it for the lost one, sing it for the cold. The boat, lost soul moving, rolled around in the world, trying to find a better day, better way. A better way in this life, or we will be alright. I swear we will make it there, to where the sun shine again. I'm lost like you, I'ma face my fears, I'ma face my fear, I'ma leave them right here, I'ma leave them right here. Yeah, right here in this place where I don't ever wanna go again. I've been in the den of despair, and I will never go there again. I will never go there again. This is for the lost one, this is for the cold. Sing it for the lost one, sing it for the cold. The lost soul moving, rolled around in the world, trying to find a better day, better way. A better way in this life, or we will be alright. You're probably a little tired like me, a little tired like me, a little tired like me. It's good all around, evil all around, ugly all around. beauty all around. You just gotta look at the right places, and don't ever let the ugly face of doubt tell your life is not beautiful. This is for the lost one, this is for the cold. Sing it for the lost one, sing it for the cold. They lost soul, moving, rolled around in a world, trying to find a better day, better way. A better way in this life, but we will be alright. In a life that got in, oh so dark, oh so dark. A life that falls apart, falls apart. My heart been torn apart, I've been torn apart. I'm a fucking loner and I stayed away for life. I'll probably never change, even though I'd like to. Even though I'd like to, I'll probably never change for nothing, my dear. All my insecurities holding me near. Probably never change for nothing, my dear. All my insecurities holding me near. But I've been working oh so hard to find some meaning in this life. To find some meaning in this life. In a life that got in oh so dark, goes so dark. A life that falls apart, falls apart. My heart been torn apart, torn apart. I've been bleeding on the inside, I'm torn apart. Can I get a chance to go back to the start? Yeah, press rewind. Get a chance to find the right answers. I mean, I don't wanna die, I just wanna feel alive. Maybe in my next life, get a chance to feel alive. But people say you only get one chance, so I gotta work hard to try and find a light. Yeah, find a light in a life that got in oh so dark, goes so dark. A life that falls apart, falls apart. My heart been torn apart, torn apart. I've been bleeding on the inside, I'm torn apart. Can I get a chance to go back to the start? Yeah, press rewind. Get a chance to find. I hope somewhere down the line I'll be able to find the light, the light, the light in a life that got in oh so dark, goes so dark. A life that falls apart, falls apart. My heart been torn apart, torn apart. I've been bleeding on the inside, I'm torn apart. Can I get a chance to go back to the start? Yeah, press rewind. Life led me to this crossroad. What way to go? Well, I don't know. Whoa. Life led me to this crossroad. What way to go? Well, I don't know. But I'll be alright. Got the universe on my side. So whatever's meant to be will be. Trust the process. Yeah, I guess I gotta trust the process on this journey called life. Even though that shit gets very hard sometimes, I want it all right now, want it all right now. I've been searching for a thrill that's hard to find. storm and rain with my head held high. Life led me to this crossroad. What way to go? Well, I don't know. But I'll be alright. Got the universe on my side. So whatever's meant to be will be. As I take the first few steps towards a better life, I'm a dreamer and I always will be. So I caught myself, wish upon a shooting star. Can you hear me even though you're far away? What's another bump in the road? That's nothing to me. That's nothing to me. That's nothing to me. I just wish that when it's all said.
Nah oke guys, jadi kayak gitu ya tutorialnya, semoga kalian paham ya. Dan oke, kayak gitu doang, jangan lupa subscribe dan like juga ya. Ya makasih ya yang udah nonton sampai akhir, dan jangan lupa share ya videonya biar orang-orang tahu gitu ya. Oke, sampai di sini aja ya, bye bye.